Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to open trunk Audi R8, updated. Locate the small lever in the passenger footwell or use the electronic release button on the driver door, then press and hold the rear emblem release if equipped. If the battery is dead, fold down the rear seats and manually release the latch with a long screwdriver, taking care to protect interior trim and avoid sharp edges. Before you start, gather a flashlight, long screwdriver, and gloves for trim protection. Always park on level ground and engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal if performing manual releases. Check the owner manual for model-specific procedures and avoid forcing the latch. If the mechanism seems damaged, stop and consult a professional to prevent further harm or misalignment of the trunk components. Keep children and pets away during the procedure. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future updates. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers smart mapping, voice control, and strong suction for pet hair and dust. It pairs surprisingly well with garage cleanup after car work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start at the cabin. Fold the rear seats down if needed and reach into the trunk area to locate the emergency latch. From outside, press the trunk release on the key fob, then use the driver door electronic release if the fob fails. Gently press the rear emblem if your R8 has a pop release and lift while someone supports the lid to prevent sudden drops. If access is restricted, remove interior trim panels carefully to avoid braking clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.